Thank you for joining us again, Car System Installation. So I'm going to show you the YP-CPAA-BM24 installed on a Mini Cooper 2018. We have the factory screen in here, so we added the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay device for the factory screen, control from the factory iDrive. The CarPlay in this unit is wireless. The Android Auto, unfortunately, is not wireless. So we're going to turn the ignition on. We actually already have a phone connected, so we have the maps already showing there. But first we're going to go to the menu. We're going to go outside to the main menu. Okay, so this is the menu when you turn the first time. You're going to have the CarPlay here, Android Auto. You have an option for mirroring, a video in, go out, and you can go to the settings. In the settings, there's not much setting to do. If you add a front camera, you can add you can have it here set up for how long the camera will be after reversing. It will show you the camera or the front one. So we have it at 0 as we don't have a front camera. We're gonna go back. We're gonna go to the Android. As you can see, it's very smooth. Everything works very nice and smooth. The sound in the vehicle. We're just gonna make sure that we are on auxiliary in the car. So we're gonna hold the back button. We're gonna go to the factory screen. We are on aux, which means our system is connected. We're gonna hold the back button again, and we're gonna go to our unit. That will allow us to go on the bottom here and play music if we want. So we can hear we have music, and you can go to your sound in here. You can see the songs. You can play it, sounds to the vehicle speakers. And we also have obviously the voice commands. So if we hold the button, we're gonna go just to the home. So if we have here the microphone for the voice commands, but if you hold the iDrive button, send a text message.
Who do you want to text?
Cancel.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, so as you can see, everything on the factory controls. You have voice commands. You can do your maps, everything from here. And the wireless, you have also the wireless CarPlay in this case. So you have both systems in one. You can just lay down your phone in here. You don't have to use it while you're driving. Nice, clean, safe for you, safe for everybody. For Apple CarPlay and Android Auto devices for BMWs, Minis, and other cars, you can find this at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.